Through his channel, Mr. Beast has gathered more than 127 million subscribers, making it the fourth largest platform on YouTube and the highest platform for an individual. At this point, you are probably wondering, how much money do you make when you are a successful YouTube star at this point? This individual has a net worth that exceeds $100 million. Embark on a journey into opulence with luxury beyond borders, your passport to wealth and exists. A warm welcome awaits luxury enthusiasts as each episode take you on enthralling global exploration, unveiling astonishing tales that transcend national boundaries. Join us on an adventure into the unparalleled realm of luxury, traversing breathtaking estates and discovering rare artifacts. Now, let's talk about his collection of cars. Are you aware of the fact that celebrities who purchase expensive supercars have a tendency to select one particular brand of automobile over all others? To be honest, Mr. Beast is not an exception. Lamborghini is the only thing that matters to him. To put it another way, he has a lot of videos that demonstrate how profound his love is. A Lamborghini is not just any Lamborghini, but rather the very best of the best. If you are looking for a Lamborghini Huracan Spider, nothing else will do. To give you an idea of its capabilities, it can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds. A little more than 200 miles per hour is its maximum speed, and it's capable of reaching a maximum speed of 202 miles per hour, which is equivalent to 325 kilometers per hour. The price of these infants can go as high as $223,000 due to the fact that this automobile is too well known. Gamers have begun to drive around in their favorite game vehicles that are identical to it in order to pay tribute to Mr. Beast. Would you really be able to blame them? Additionally, he possesses a Lamborghini Gallardo that is equally amazing. It will cover the distance from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds, and it will achieve a maximum speed of 220 miles per hour. However, if you will have to pay a price for all of this beauty and speed, a new price tag of approximately $240,000 is attached to the Gallardo, which also costs more than 200 Gs. The most well-known automobile in his collection might not be the most attractive of his vehicles, but it is without a doubt the one that I would most strongly associate with him. The Tesla Model 3 is what he is referring to. Their top speed is 250 miles per hour, and they can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.1 seconds. With a price tag of approximately $45,000, it is undeniably fashionable for a very reasonable price. It is believed that an electric vehicle can travel 272 miles on a single charge, which is the most crucial aspect of the vehicle. Why is this his hallmark ride, since there are so many other individuals, including celebrities and regular people, who own Tesla these days? In any case, this is due to the fact that it is adorned with a personalized wrap that features his name and specifics about his brand. ZHC was the one who manually personalized everything, and he displayed his efforts in real time for 1.3 million people to see. When it comes to the rides that have been altered, this one is the one that flawlessly embodies the style of Mr. Beast. Just so you know, ZHC, if you're interested in giving someone else a personalized car, I have always believed that a Bugatti Veyron Sinner would be the perfect vehicle for him. Now, are you excited to talk about his houses? With properties reportedly located in Kansas, Georgia, Los Angeles, and Las Vegas, it would appear that Mr. Beast has already established himself as a proprietor of real estate empire as of this moment. His $55 million mansion, which has been the subject of so many hits that it has probably already paid for itself, is, however, by far his most impressive and well-known residence. A huge beachfront mansion that is surrounded on both sides by palm trees may be found here. In addition to having an incredible interior design, the house also has its very own pond and is a winding staircase that is very breathtaking to look at. According to reports, this residence is not the one that he genuinely considers to be his home to begin with. When Jake Paul went to prank Mr. Beast in his actual home, he discovered that Mr. Beast genuinely lived in a place that was reasonably priced. If you are expecting that Mr. Beast is as kind as he appears to be, then you should know that Jake Paul discovered this. A multimillionaire would never be expected to live in such a place. Then perhaps he is, in fact, a decent person. In that case, all of the gifts would make sense. If you appreciate life's more refined aspects, you've found the perfect place. Luxury Beyond Borders is not just a channel, it's a community of like-minded individuals with a shared interest in the extraordinary. Don't miss our special excursions into the world of opulence. Click the subscribe button to become part of a community that understands luxury without borders. Who is Mr. Beast without giveaways, right? It begs the question, what is it about Mr. Beast that makes him the most exceptional of all? What makes his movies so enjoyable to watch? Is it his one-of-a-kind sense of humor or the manner in which they are put together? The truth is that his success is essentially the same as that of Oprah. In the event that you consistently give away things for free, there is a good probability that others will appreciate you. On a regular basis, he gives out cash, which is the most valuable gift of all. It is not uncommon for him to dish out hundreds of thousands, and even millions of dollars for games such as a real-life Squid Game, hide and seek, and simply retain a large amount of money in his possession. A few of these giveaways involve obstacles that are associated with the rewards, such as giving away $1 million but only allowing the recipient 1 minute to spend it. The fact that he frequently gives out Lamborghinis as prizes for winning competitions is something that shouldn't come as a surprise to you at this point in time. I have a feeling that he has a Lamborghini guy who is willing to negotiate the price for him, despite the fact that this typically cost him hundreds of thousands of dollars each. A private jet that is rumored to be valued at $2.5 million is another item that Mr. Beast gives away, which is a typical purchase that wealthy individuals on this channel keep for themselves. It will be given to the one who stays on these things the longest. In addition to that, he also produced a movie in which he describes what it's like to survive after crashing your private plane. So if you could give me the Lamborghini, that would be great. Another task that he has completed is with a mini yacht that is equipped with all of the facilities that are typically found on boats that are 4 times larger than the mini yacht. I'm not sure about you, but if I had to choose between a super yacht and one of this, I'd go with the former. The maintenance would be a lot less difficult. The most significant giveaway that he ever had was when he reached 100 million subscribers. In the video that he uploaded, he made the claim that he would give away an island that was rumored to be worth $2 million. You are required to construct your very own mansion in the manner of the glass onion. This is how they came to be. To tell you the truth, you are about to go out and get brand new video cameras in order to become the next member of the Beast family to achieve tremendous success. You should also begin putting a price tag on your brand new Lamborghini. As we draw the velvet curtain on another chapter of richness, we extend our gratitude for accompanying us on this delicate adventure. Luxury Beyond Borders is your sanctuary if you aspire to create a lifestyle reminiscent of luxury. Subscribe, share, and immerse yourself in narratives redefining extravagance. Until we meet again, infuse a bit of luxury into your everyday, maintaining sophistication and inspiration. We look forward to having you back for more global stories.